Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Highest structural value, 50 plus amenities, prime location, and this
all at 10 Marina Bay.
So why settle for something less? Live life limitless.
A massive blood donation camp was organized by Nerul Gymkhana on 25th of July 2021 at their premises. The blood collection was done by Tata Memorial Cancer Hospital at Kharghar for cancer patients. The drive was partnered by CRPF Western Sector, Rapid Action Force, Tilak School and Rotary Club, Navi Mumbai. 65 CRPF and RAF Jawans donated blood to commemorate and celebrate the Raising Day of CRPF. Tilak Junior College and SK College joined the blood donation drive in memory of their founder secretary Sharda Kuru. The camp was inaugurated by Randeep Datta, Inspector General of Police, Western Sector, CRPF, CBD, Belapur. More than 110 units of blood was collected at the camp. The donors ranged from Jawans to students, and the immediate benefits of blood donation was on full display. The camp was a huge success because of the relentless hard work, meticulous planning and great organizational skill of the managing committee members, coordinated by Kiran Stanley and ably supported by Vikas Shetty, General Secretary, and Kamlesh Thakir, President, and volunteers along with the staff members led by the Administrator Dipali Gopal Krishnana. IGP Randeep Datta stressed on the service rendered by the Jawans for safeguarding unity, safety and integrity of the nation, adding that donating blood is a noble way of celebrating the foundation or raising day of CRPF.
Yeah, good morning. We are thankful to the Nerul Gymkhana. They have invited us as a chief guest as IGP CRPF Western Sector. I am looking after whole of Maharashtra and Gujarat. So this is my first time I am coming here, and my people on the occasion of our 82nd Raising Day of CRPF, which is going to be on 27th of July. So on that day, we are organizing in continuous process of blood donation, and we are thankful to the Rotary Club, Nerul Gymkhana, people who have invited us here for this function. We are not doing this job. Our main motto is service and loyalty to the nation. From 1939 onwards, we are doing this service to this great nation, and we will keep on doing our best. And you have seen from north to south, from east to west, CRPF is doing the great job, and we are here to help everybody. Jai Hind, Jai CRPF, Jai Maharashtra.
Ritu Datta, President RCWA CRPF, also addressed the gathering.
I am also very happy to accompany him here because this is such a noble cause and it is going to the cancer patients. We as a member of CRPF are doing a lot of good work, and I'm very, very proud of our Jawans who are always ready at one go. If you say they are ready to serve the country, beside being we have done lots of programs on this line, and this is one of them, and I'm really very, very happy, and I feel fortunate to be part of this great force who is doing this wonderful job. And thank you to all of you also, the Rotary Club and I think the college also came with this, and the Nerul Gymkhana and everybody. Thank you so much for making us part of it. Thank you.
Vinu Rena, Chairman Nerul Gymkhana, stressed that the organization accords highest priority for social service, and this is the 4th blood donation camp organized in the last 12 months, along with a vaccination drive for more than 500 people. Kiran Stanley, Vice President Nerul Gymkhana, gave more details.
Good morning, I am Kiran Stanley, Vice President of Nerul Gymkhana plus the coordinator of this blood donation camp. We are honored actually to have this blood donation camp with Tata Memorial Hospital. It's a very noble cause which we have come forward to do it in association with the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai and with the support of CRPF and Tilak College and SK College. We are very grateful to CRPF IG Randeep Datta sir to be here present and to send his force. You can see that all of them donating blood, and once again I would thank all people who have helped us in this, our staff, our volunteers, whoever have helped in this cause. Once again, I thank you and thanks very much.
Vikas Shetty, Secretary Managing Committee Nerul Gymkhana, spoke about the camp objectives.
Yeah, I'm Vikas Shetty, the General Secretary of Nerul Gymkhana. Nerul Gymkhana always contributed to the society whenever situation arises, and this is a great opportunity we got to make difference in the lives of cancer patients through blood donation. My heartfelt gratitude to CRPF and our Rapid Action Force, Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai, SK College and Tilak College. I like to thank Randeep Datta for his support for this blood donation, and so Dr. Hina Himani and all the donors who have come forward for this noble cause. Once again, my heartfelt gratitude to all the people who came forward for this blood donation. Thank you.
Nitin Shah, IPP Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai, spoke about the support by his club to the camp.
I am Nitin Shah, immediate past president Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai. ये हम लोग रेगुलर जब से लॉकडाउन चालू हो गया है, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नवी मुंबई हैज़ प्रिविलेज टू ऑर्गेनाइज ब्लड डोनेशन ड्राइव since April 2020, and we thankful for Nerul Gymkhana to support always. This is the fourth blood donation drive we have along with the Nerul Gymkhana, and I thank CRPF for coming forward to donate the blood. Thank you very much for your support, and do come for the blood donation. Thank you.
Dr. Hina Samani, Principal Junior College, Tilak Education Society, spoke on the importance of blood donation.
Dr. Hina Samani, the principal of Tilak College, and it's a very noble cause which we are doing today. क्योंकि कोरोना के वक्त में अगर हम लोगों ने देखा है तो ब्लड डोनेशन के लिए कोविड के पेशेंट्स के लिए हम लोग आगे आए, बट ऐसे वक्त में बाकी पेशेंट्स को जो ज़रूरी था ब्लड वो हमें मिल नहीं पाया. तो देयर वाज एक्यूट शॉर्टेज फॉर टाटा हॉस्पिटल एंड CRPF जवान्स हैव कम फॉरवर्ड. So Nerul Gymkhana, Rotary Club and with the Association of Tilak College, they have done a wonderful activity. And I hope that many of them come ahead and donate the blood and save lives.
The blood donation camp was indeed a great and noble project for saving, giving and sustaining life. With video journalist Sai Pawar, Shanavas Jeddi, Awaz Today, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Awaz Today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.